tell you something. These ain't bloody shoes for no reason. Like, you got to be ready when you put these on. You got to be ready for whatever comes with it.
I'll be busy balling, 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 balling. Yeah, I'll be busy balling, balling.
Hey babes, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my birthday shoes that I bought for myself. And clearly, you can tell by the title, they are a pair of luxury shoes. So this is literally just to share. Now, by the time you guys see this video, my birthday will have already passed. My birthday is September 20th. It is this coming Sunday or this past Sunday. So yes, your girl is a Virgo. So, you know, the best sign ever. If you don't have a Virgo in your life, you need to get you one. You know, okay, get you a Virgo, okay? Your life will be so much better with a Virgo in it. I am also going out of town for my birthday as well. I will be going to Cabo, which is in Mexico, and I will be vlogging. And so you will get to experience Cabo with me for my birthday. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys these shoes. I thought they were like so different, so unique, and so cute. I always see videos on YouTube of girls talking about the black ones and the nude pair, but I never really see YouTube videos of girls literally getting a pair that is just different and unique, like really getting a pair of shoes that just stand out. I feel like you can look up a lot of reviews on the Socates, you know, the regular Pigals. Get you some shoes that you know you can wear with everything, but they still pop, you know what I'm saying? So that was the idea I was going for when I was looking for my second pair of Christian Louboutins to add to my growing collection. All right, so let's go ahead and actually start talking about the shoes. This is the bag that they came in. I went to NORDSTROM on Michigan Avenue here in Chicago. For you people that don't know, NORDSTROM has a Christian Louboutin boutique inside of their store, and then they actually have the brick and mortar, which is the standalone Christian Louboutin store on Oak Street. But I decided to just go to NORDSTROM and pick them up because I had already did my research on these shoes. Like, I already knew what I was looking for. I want to keep looking at them over and over and again because you know how women are. We'll look at something and then as we look at it time and time again, we don't like the shoes. So that's how I need to connect. Like, that's how I am when I look at a pair of luxury shoes. Every time I look at those shoes, I need to still have that same feeling and yearning for those shoes every time I look at them. I don't want the feeling to basically fade. You know what I'm saying? Now, of course, if you do not go to a boutique, you'll get the regular store bag. But I like, you know, the whole experience. When you get this, you'll get your envelope. And this has your receipt in the inside. And of course, it says, love your red soles. So they're basically saying, try your shoes on. If you're not going to try them on in store and you order the shoes and you try them on in your home, please make sure it's on carpeting so you'll be able to properly return them if needed. But I tried mine on in store and I already knew what size I wore and everything. I know for sure in Christian Louboutins, I am pretty much a 38.5, which is a 8.5. That's what that is. So this is how they look. The girl did a beautiful job putting the ribbon on them for me and everything. I felt super special when she did this for me. Of course, it's the standard Christian Louboutin boxing, and I'm just gonna slide the ribbon off just like that. I'm gonna keep that ribbon. I'm gonna keep it on. When you initially open it up, you're going to see you have your 2 duster bags. You have your spare pair of heel tassels. I think that's what they call. Like, so I'm gonna show you how these guys look. They're super small. Do not lose these, you guys. Do not lose these. This is how they look. I hope you guys can see them. They're super small. It is a multicolored shoe. It is not your standard like nude or black shoe at all. Are you guys ready? I know you guys are ready. All right, so I'm gonna pull back the paper. Can you see them? They're peeking out. And there they are. Aren't they gorgeous? Gorgeous. Okay, these are gorgeous. This shoe makes me happy. Like, every time I look at this shoe, my heart melts. Like, I'm happy every single time I look at this shoe. I am like so happy with my purchase. Like, I love it. Like, the detailing of this shoe is amazing, and as you can see, it is a multi-colored shoe. That means you can wear this with anything. This shoe has limitless outfits. You can wear anything with this shoe, anything. It has every color you can think of in this shoe. It has blue, it has purple, it has green, it has red, it has pink, it has yellow, it has white. So on the Nordstrom website, they're calling it the Pigalle Follies print pointed toe pump. So it says it's a whimsical rendering of the design lost in Wonderland of his atelier patterns. This chic calfskin pump set on a darling stiletto in that iconic red sole. This shoe is 101 millimeters or 4 inches. Honestly, I wish it was 5 inches. I do love a good high heel, but because of how this shoe is made, you're definitely gonna feel like you are walking on a 5-inch heel because it will pitch you a little bit forward. So you're gonna feel like you're being pitched forward just a little bit. But I'm used to walking in red bottoms already, so I know the feeling. Now, these shoes are extremely tight on your foot initially. Like, you're going to need to stretch these bad boys out. Now, these shoes do not have the exact same design on them. They still have the same like designing aesthetic as far as like the colors, all the multicolors that's in it, but the shoe is going to look different at the toe box. So it's the same, clearly it's going to be the same shoe, but they just made them a little bit different on each. Like, these shoes are amazing. Here is the other shoe, so you guys can see the design. There's a design on the front, design on the side, and then of course it has a design even going down the heel as well. Forgot to mention that it goes down the heel. A detail that I love on here that is so beautiful to me is that Christian Louboutin, this is definitely him. Like, I think this is such a cute detailing. He's actually on this shoe a few times, like here and here, like here, on this side as well. The Pigalles have more of a short toe box than compared to the Socates, and I do have a pair of Socates in my closet, but I'm not going to bring those out, but I love those as well. But with this one, I feel like my foot does look smaller. Now, one thing I was reading about their shoes is when you're wearing their leather shoes, they do not want you to wear these in bad weather or wear them on abrasive surfaces. So I also went ahead, I just want to add this on, I also went ahead and purchased some ball foot cushions. You guys are going to need these. I have these in my first pair of Christian Louboutins as well, and they definitely help with you being able to bear the pain of walking in these, like, seriously. So these are called Fab Feet by Foot Pedals, and I got these from Target. I believe these were about $5.99 if I'm correct. And then I also decided to buy these Kiwi Sur Step no skid pads to put on the bottom of my Christian Louboutins as well. Honestly, I would truly advise anyone that's looking to invest in a pair of Christian Louboutins that are different from what everyone else tends to get. Definitely look into some like these. Oh my god, like these, I can see myself wearing these years and years down the line and still being in fashion. Like, these shoes are so like artsy. Like, it's like you're walking with like an art piece on your foot. I will leave the information to the store, my store in Chicago that I went to. I'll leave them in the description box. So yeah, you guys, I think that is all I have to say about these Christian Louboutins. And you guys definitely look forward to my vlog. I don't know if that's going to be up before this video or after this video. Probably most likely after. honestly, most likely. So if you guys love this video, please make sure you go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think of these shoes as well. Let's definitely get the conversation started below. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.
I'll be busy balling, balling.